Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you all how you can make this amazing hair growth shampoo. If you have been wanting to grow your hair thicker, longer, this is the best shampoo for you to use without spending a lot of money. So the first product we are going to be using here is fenugreek. The second product here is cloves. So I'm going to be using aloe vera. This is 99% of aloe vera. You can use the aloe vera leaves or the fresh aloe vera plant if you have that, but I do not have that in hand. And the next product I'll be using, or ingredient I'll be using, is almond oil. Then the last thing here is African black soap. So these are all the products I'll be using for this hair growth shampoo today. So I'll just go ahead to put the fenugreek into a bowl, pour in some water, close it up and let it sit overnight. And I'm going to do the same for the cloves. With the African black soap, I'm not going to be using all this piece, so I'll just go ahead to cut off the quantity that I want, then put it into the bowl and pour some water and let it also sit overnight. The next day, this is how everything looks like. All the ingredients has been nicely infused into the water. So I will just go ahead to put everything into the blender. But before I do that, I'm just going to sieve it, and you can see the color of the water. This water, please do not throw it away. You can use it as a detangler. It can also work as a hair growth spray. Now let me tell you all the benefits of all these ingredients used in this hair growth shampoo. The first ingredient is cloves. Cloves provide abundant and long-lasting moisture locks to the hair. It helps to get rid of dandruff. It promotes growth when applied from the root. It also treats premature graying of the hair. So the next product is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and protein, which are two main essential nutrients for hair growth. Fenugreek also helps to thicken the hair when also applied as a hair mask. The next ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera promotes healthy hair growth thanks to a special enzyme found in it called proteolytic enzymes. Aloe vera helps to cleanse the scalp so that more nutrients can penetrate the follicles, helping the hair to grow faster and thicker. Also, the African black soap is very beneficial to the hair because it is organic. The African black soap helps to define your coils. African black soap is also known to promote hair growth and get rid of dandruff. Finally, the benefits of almond oil is so amazing. Almond provides sufficient nutrients to the hair follicles that makes the hair strand stronger, thus reducing hair falls. So guys, all these ingredients put together are so wonderful in growing your hair thicker, longer and stronger. So guys, if you find this video interesting, do not leave without subscribing to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to give this video a like. So on this channel, I also do natural hair care video. I do protective hairstyle and I do kit hairstyle. I also do DIY hair growth treatment. So do take off your shoe and you are highly welcome to this channel. So I'm going to be showing you all how I apply this into my hair. But before I did, I just went to the bathroom and soaked my head in water to facilitate the shampooing process. So I'm going to be showing you how much I use. With this shampoo, you do not need to use a lot, because little goes a long way. I prefer shampooing my hair during shower time, so I will just quickly hop into the shower and I will be right back. So this is what the hair is looking like. I'm done with the shampooing process, and guys, the shrinkage is real. You can see how my hair has shrunk into this stage. So I want to thank you all for watching, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my beautiful channel, and I'll be showing you how I preserve the rest of this shampoo, because I didn't use a lot like I said. So I'll just go ahead to keep the rest of this shampoo in my freezer. I will freeze it, and whenever I am ready to use it, I will just go in, get it, leave it to defrost and use it. So guys, thank you all for watching, and see you again on my next video.